English vocabulary about health problems, illnesses, and body pain. These words are very useful in daily conversations, hospital visits, and real-life situations. With example sentences and pronunciation practice, you will learn how to use them easily. Vomiting. Vomiting. It means forcefully expelling the stomach's contents out of the mouth. For example, he vomited on the floor. He vomited on the floor. Rash. Rash. It means temporary outbreak of red, bumpy, scaly, or itchy patches of skin. For example, I developed a rash after coming into contact with a certain plant. I developed a rash after coming into contact with a certain plant. Dandruff. Dandruff. It means a common scalp condition in which small pieces of dry skin flake off of the scalp. For example, a dry scalp can lead to dandruff. A dry scalp can lead to dandruff. Scald. Scald. It means to burn somebody with very hot liquid. For example, don't scald yourself with that kettle. Don't scald yourself with that kettle. Arthralgia. Arthralgia. It means pain in a joint. For example, I'm suffering from right leg arthralgia. I'm suffering from right leg arthralgia. Plantar wart or foot wart. Plantar wart or foot wart. It means a small, hard growth that appears on the sole of the foot. For example, a plantar wart can be painful if left untreated. A plantar wart can be painful if left untreated. Fever. Fever. Fever means increase in average body temperature. For example, I have a fever. I have a fever. Diarrhea. Diarrhea. It means watery stools that occur more frequently than usual. For example, I am sick with diarrhea. I am sick with diarrhea. Chest pain. Chest pain. It means a dull pain in chest. For example, she had complained of chest pain. She had complained of chest pain. Menstrual cramp or dysmenorrhea. Menstrual cramp or dysmenorrhea. It means pelvic pain with menstruation. For example, she experiences dysmenorrhea. She experiences dysmenorrhea. Cough. Cough. It means forceful hacking sound to release air and clear an irritation in the throat. For example, he was coughing all day. He was coughing all day. Common cold. Common cold. It means a common viral infection of the nose and throat. For example, I have caught a common cold. I have caught a common cold. Sneeze. Sneeze. It means a sudden blast of air or mucus expelled from the mouth and nose. For example, I think I'm going to sneeze. I think I'm going to sneeze. Runny nose or rhinorrhea. Runny nose or rhinorrhea. It means excess drainage from the clear fluid to thick mucus from the nose and nasal passages. For example, I'm experiencing rhinorrhea. I'm experiencing a rhinorrhea. Toothache. Toothache means pain in or around the tooth. For example, my friend has a toothache. My friend has a toothache. Headache. Headache. It means a painful sensation in any part of the head. For example, I'm starting to get a headache. I'm starting to get a headache. Back pain. Back pain. It means physical discomfort occurring anywhere on the spine or back. For example, I have back pain. I have back pain. Stomachache. Stomachache. It means a pain in a person's stomach or belly. For example, she had a stomach ache. She had a stomach ache. Pimple. Pimple. It means a small inflamed bump on the skin. For example, is there anyone with a pimple? Is there anyone with a pimple? Bruise. Bruise. It means small blood vessels under the skin tear or rupture. For example, she had a bad bruise on his leg after she fell. She had a bad bruise on this leg after she fell. Subscribe to our channel and thank you for watching.